Hey guys. Hey guys, so today I am reviewing some South African hair products. So Mabu Tribe sent these over recently. So I'm going to be doing a lock method video with them. We've got a hydrating mist, which will work like a leave-in conditioner. We've got the oil splendor, which is going to be the O and lock, and we have got the C, which is the cream. This is sheer cocoa aloe cream. Very interesting. I'm very keen to try these. And as normal, I have started off my wash day with cleansing, and now I'm moving on to my LCO, which is leave-in conditioner, oil, and cream. I'm going to start off today with the hydrating mist, which is rich in aloe vera, jojoba, and vitamin E oil. So I really love products with vitamin E oil in them because your hair absorbs them really, really well. So let's give this a try. So let me get in a bit closer. Okay, yeah, freshly washed hair that is detangled as well. I'm just freeing up the coils. Okay, now I am going to section off my hair, because sectioning off your hair just makes the process a lot easier. I'm not doing this very neatly, I'm just using my fingers. As per usual. I'm just going to section off into 4 pieces. Okay. So, starting off with this section, look how pretty this packaging is. Okay, so starting off with the leave-in, and you just release. It's fancy packaging. I love that. That's so awesome. Leave-in conditioner, which is a hydrating mist, is nice and light. It smells like there's something minty in there. Let's see what's in here. Hold on. We've got aloe vera, extra virgin castor oil. Oh, it's the tea tree and peppermint oil. Okay, I love me some tea tree. Tea tree is so good for your scalp. Don't know what tea tree does for your scalp, just look it up, girls. Look it up. But I love using tea tree on my hair and I love how easy it is to spray this. Okay, sorry. So just distributing this. Just make sure you lengthen out your coils so that you get maximum distribution of your product. So that was pretty easy. The product is really light, so it's easy for it to distribute into your hair. Not light as in like it's thin on products, light as in it is, I think there's a large water composite in the actual leave-in conditioner, which I love because I have low porosity hair, which makes getting the product onto hair so much easier, and absorption so much more effective for my hair. And as I mentioned earlier, vitamin E is great for allowing, well, vitamin E helps the product really land on your hair so much better. So yeah, here we go. The product is distributed in section 1. Now I'm going in with the oil. I love, you see guys, look, Black Excellence honey. So I'm going in with my oil. What is in here? So we've got a mixture of extra virgin olive oil, jojoba, marula oil, Moroccan argan oil, avocado oil, peppermint, vitamin E. Okay, there's some good ingredients here. And it smells good. Oh, I love the peppermint. So different. I've actually never used a product with peppermint in it. Let's just read what this says. Oil works to deeply condition and protect your hair. The oil splendor works to replenish, nourishment, strengthen hair, help seal in moisture, and condition both scalp and hair. It helps with healthy stimulation of growth as well. So, that being said, let's put a little bit, some dabs on my scalp, because I used apple cider vinegar, so I just want to make sure my scalp isn't too dry. Massaging your hair is so, well, your scalp is so good for hair growth. The blood circulation helps stimulate growth, so yeah, just massage your hair, girl. Okay, and that is my oil done. Now we're bringing in the cream. It's important to read the instructions on the packaging. So this says shake before use. And this is the consistency. It's rich. It doesn't feel too heavy. I like creams. I prefer creams like this. I don't like creams that are too thick and solid, because also, as I said earlier on, low porosity hair, girl. Just works out better if the products that I use has a little bit of a run to them. So I just use, I think it was just like a, oh, it was just a dollop. And it's actually, because my hair is quite dense, it's working out perfectly. That little bit that I put in is actually covering this whole section. My hair drinks up hair products, so I usually use more than a pea size, obviously. So I like that this product is rich enough that you can use a small amount but still get maximum coverage. It's lovely. Okay, here we go. See? And that is section 1 done. I love doing this after I apply my products. I read somewhere that it helps with single strand knots, so I've been doing this consistently with every wash day and LCO application. Elongating my coils to get the product in there. Okay, don't forget your ends. So I'm gonna use a little bit for my ends. And there we go. Feels good. Okay, processed as before. Oops. Just gonna clip this. So. Same process as before. We've got the hydrating mist operating as a leave-in. Look at that, guys. Easy distribution. I'm not using a mirror, so I'm not being as as coordinated as I can be. And just don't forget your hairline in B bar. If you want your hairline to flourish, you're gonna love it. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna clip this properly. Yeah. Distribute that product And if your hair is dense like mine, just part it in this section, in the middle of the section that you have. Make sure you get earth in. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my oil. Just really used, this is a teaspoon worth of oil. I love how this oil smells. I really love the peppermint and tea tree aroma. I think I like more natural smells as opposed to like perfumes. Don't know why. Okay, again, I'm stretching out my coil so I can get the product absorbed in there nicely, but because of the vitamin E, I'm really not struggling to get this product in my hair. Then go in with the cream. I start off in the section, in the section middle of the section, and then work my way out. And then I'm just elongating the section, get maximum distribution of product, and paying attention to my ends, because if you look after your ends, you're more likely to retain length. I prefer the LCO method for post-wash, for the post-wash part of my hair routine, because it just helps retain the moisture of my hair. And with the dry climate of Joburg, you'll find that your hair will get dry a lot faster, so LCO just works for me. I think it's also linked to the fact that I have low porosity hair. So that's it. Oops. I'm just gonna do the rest of my head, and then I'll probably put my hair into twists. But yeah, whoop. Did I get oil on my... There you go, guys. I'm not supposed to look cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna do twists, and then I'm gonna do the follow-up section of this video where I show you what my hair looks like the next day. Okay guys, so I slept with twists, and then I rounded them up with bunch knots. So what I'm gonna do now is oil them so that when I untangle them, they look good. Okay. And that's it, guys. Shout out to Mabu Tribe for the amazing products. My hair is feeling soft and moisturized, and I would definitely recommend their products. I'll post the products that I used in this video in the description below, as well as their link and details on how to buy their products.